Hi, welcome to the video, and today we will be talking about ecology basics, food chains, energy flow, and population dynamics. Ecology is the study of animals and their homes. Let's start by looking at food chains. There are two ways to show a food chain. The left is called a food chain and the right is called a food pyramid. Both show the relationships between animals. As an example, let's look at this food pyramid. There are four levels, and the base level is called a producer. Producers are normally plants. On the second level is herbivores, animals that eat plants. The third level is omnivores, animals who eat plants and other animals. The fourth level is carnivores, animals who only eat other animals. Now let's talk about energy flow. Energy flow is the movement of energy between animals. When reading a food/energy pyramid, there is a rule that as you move up a level, 10% of the previous level's energy is given to the next level. Let's break this down. The producers get their energy from the sun, and then when the grasshoppers eat the grass, they get 10% of the energy that was in the grass. When the birds eat the grasshoppers, they get 10% of the total energy that the grasshoppers had, and so on. Now let's look at population dynamics. Population dynamics is the study of the number of animals in an area over time. Let's take these animals as an example. If the grass or producers start to die, then the herbivores, or grasshoppers in this case, have nothing to eat. If the grasshoppers have nothing to eat, then they will either leave that area or die. If there's no food for the birds, then they will leave or die as well. This then directly impacts the hawk in the top level. The dynamic of these animals is very dependent on whether or not the level before them is available in their area. That is all for this video. See you next time.